Car camping gadgets play a crucial role in enhancing your outdoor experience, ensuring comfort, safety, and entertainment both on the road and at your campsite. If you're on the lookout for top-notch car camping gear, check out our 7 highly recommended picks. The BioLite BaseCharge 600, a revolutionary player in the realm of portable power stations. Boasting an impressive 622 watt-hour capacity, it stands as a dependable energy source for outdoor enthusiasts and those prioritizing emergency preparedness. Featuring 9 output ports, including 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C port, this power station showcases remarkable versatility for charging various devices. Notably, its wireless charging deck adds a layer of convenience to your charging requirements. Beyond functionality, the BioLite BaseCharge 600 showcases a sleek and durable design, built to endure the demands of outdoor adventures. With a single charge, you can effortlessly power multiple devices, ranging from phones and laptops to drones, ensuring uninterrupted connectivity when it matters most. A standout feature lies in its compatibility with solar panels up to 100 watts, offering a sustainable and renewable energy solution. In essence, the BioLite BaseCharge 600 combines style with substance, making it an essential companion for anyone seeking a reliable off-grid power solution. The Scosche Portable Jump Starter, a must-have powerhouse for every car owner's trunk. The Scosche PBJ700-1 packs a punch with its high-capacity 15,000 mAh lithium-ion battery and an impressive 700 amp peak, offering a reliable jump start for vehicles with up to 10 cylinders. This compact device becomes a lifesaver during those unexpected moments when your car battery decides to call it quits. More than just a jump starter, the Scosche PBJ700-1 features dual USB ports, transforming it into a versatile charger for your gadgets on the go. Adding to its utility is a built-in LED flashlight, providing illumination in emergency situations or offering extra light during the night. Safety is paramount with the Scosche PBJ700-1, incorporating a 6-point safety protection system that includes features such as short-circuit protection, reverse connection prevention, and polarity safeguards, ensuring a spark-free operation. In essence, the Scosche PBJ700-1 stands out as a reliable, compact, and safety-focused jump starter, deserving a permanent place in every car's emergency kit. Now, let's delve into the Smittybilt Gen 2 Overlander tent, a remarkable outdoor shelter designed to elevate your camping adventures with its generous space and robust durability. Boasting dimensions of 122 inches in width, 76 inches in length, and 51 inches in height, this tent comfortably accommodates multiple individuals, ensuring a spacious interior. Notably, its impressive maximum load rating of 770 pounds guarantees stability and safety for both you and your camping gear. Crafted from 600D heavy-duty ripstop polyester, the tent is engineered to withstand the demanding conditions of outdoor use. The inclusion of stainless steel hinges further contributes to its durability, promising longevity over numerous trips. To enhance your camping experience, an integrated LED strip provides convenient lighting within the tent. In summary, the Gen 2 Overlander tent from Smittybilt seamlessly combines spaciousness, strength, and convenience, establishing itself as a reliable and comfortable shelter for your outdoor excursions. A foldable box to keep snacks? Yes, please. The FoldiBox reusable box is a perfect solution to keep munching on while enjoying parties, picnics, board games, and more. With its heat resistance and dust-proofing features, this is a safe container for everyday use. Thanks to its magnetic structure, this can easily be unfolded and adhered to the surfaces of office equipment to save workspace. As it has a folding and unfolding mechanism, it can be turned into a 3-dimensional box in a moment, which helps collect trash immediately. When its clear lid is on, this becomes a leak-proof food storage box for use at home, work, or on the go. Think about enjoying flavorful dark wine while traveling beside a countryside road. Sounds thrilling. But isn't it quite difficult to pour drinks in a moving car? Indeed. So, here comes the Car Bar, an innovative solution for travelers who love to drink with a natural view. This will turn the most unexpected place into a minibar for you. Yes, you heard it right. Now, spice up your boring road trips with beers, tea, juice, or just plain water. Simply clip on it with headrests, strap 2 bottles, and drive. No more spilled drinks on your clothes or more messy car seats, because there will only be a party in the car. Perhaps you're a camper, tailgater, or an alfresco lover. A portable grill like ProQ Flatdog will let you cook hearty meals away from your kitchen. Unlike regular transportable grills, this comes with a unique design. Sounds interesting? Yeah, with its handy and foldable design, you can instantly set up your cooking station. Simply assemble the grill grate on its stove and enjoy freshly grilled veggies, steak, or burgers on your campsite. Besides, its minimal design ensures easy cleaning instead of tiring scrubbing for hours. And when it's time to pack and go, this drill folds up for carrying convenience. Enjoy some music while sipping on a glass of beer with the Heysong Surge Beer portable Bluetooth speaker. It's the first of its kind that helps place a glass of beer or soda on its surface. Then it senses the weight of the glass through gravity sensing and initiates an interactive light show to illuminate beverages beautifully. Just place the beer on its surface and get started instantly. So, there's no doubt this is unlike any other speaker, and it amps up the drinking experience tenfold. And this concludes our list of the 7 amazing car camping gadgets you must see. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel.